Hey there! Today we are going to make a design. So let's see what do we have in our book. We have a very interesting design right here. And well, we have 4 steps which we have to follow to make it. The second step is already made. All we have to do is make the third one, for which we will be making these curves nicely. Make sure all of these curves are of equal size and they need to be at equal distance from our borderline. Complete making these curves nicely. That's brilliant. The next thing we do is make these curves in the center. Yes, so that we get a diamond-like shape. Can you see this? That's amazing. Let's make this together. This is lovely. The next thing we do is erase the pencil marks which are not right. Make these beautiful circles right here. Yes, they need to be in the center of the entire design. This looks amazing. Try and make all the circles of the same size. Let's start sketching this entire design now. Go very slow while sketching it. You can also move your book however you like. The next thing we do is also sketch the design which is already printed in our book. This is going to make our drawing look uniformed when we color it. Do this slowly and nicely and then start making these circles. If you feel that you need to use a stencil for the same, you can take a beautiful coin, keep it in the center and trace it. Let's erase all the pencil marks we see. That's beautiful. Well, we can also sketch this box right here. Can you tell me which shape this is? You're right, it's a square. Let's trace this square nicely. This looks beautiful, isn't it? The next thing we do is start coloring this. Well, let's take yellow color first and start with the circles. It's a very simple drill. All you have to do is start by coloring the outline and then color inside. Yes, we're going to do these in a similar way as well. The next thing we do is take our green color and start doing the outline for this part. Make sure you touch the outer line of the drawing and do the outline. Well, we see this beautiful circle inside, so don't forget to do the outline for this one as well. And now we will start coloring right inside the shape we have here. Once we are done with that, we will get rid of all the white lines we see or all the white parts we see. And then continue doing the next one. color the circle inside and then color inside the entire shape. This activity is so much fun, isn't it? Continue coloring this in a similar way. Now, these two will be the same way. So, let's do it. That's brilliant. The next color we take is a dark blue color. Yes, this looks like a Persian blue, isn't it? Do you have it in your color box? Well, yes, you need to check it, take it, and start coloring with me. Let's take this dark Persian blue right here and color this nicely. Go very slow when you're doing these curves and these lines. Yes, so that we don't make a mistake and go out of the box. Complete coloring this slowly and nicely. Let's do these parts in a similar way. Yes, we will go slow while doing the outline and then color inside only in one direction. The drill is the same. We do the outline first and then color in one direction. This design looks beautiful, isn't it? Can we color this slowly and nicely? Yes, let's do it together. And finally, let's do this part. And look at that, our design is complete.